guys, this is me Karina back with another makeup video, and in today's video we'll talk about the most viral product on the internet right now, which is also dab, swipe and go technique during this summer season. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you all know, summer is around the corner. Actually, it has started already, and I want my base to be sweat proof and transfer proof. So let's try out my summer no foundation makeup routine with this L'Oreal Paris Infallible powder, which is a foundation in a powder, and the Infallible full wear concealer, which will give me the first free base makeup look with only 2 products. So my today's makeup look is going to be very lightweight, won't budge or transfer, with the easiest technique, which is dab, swipe and go with Infallible range from L'Oreal Paris. So let's sweat it out this summer. I have nothing on my face right now. My face is all fresh. I just have my moisturizer on. Now I'll be applying the L'Oreal Paris Infallible full wear concealer. And can I kid you not, this concealer gives such a great coverage. I am in love with the coverage and the consistency of this product. I'll just apply and show it to you guys. And also this concealer will give me full coverage, and it is long wear concealer which won't crease my under eyes and instantly brightens the under eye. So I will apply the concealer right now with the application technique, which is dab, swipe and go. So first I'm just gonna dab, dab, dab. You guys can see the coverage. You guys can see how easily it got blended, and I just love the coverage that it gives me, and I love the shade too. It just totally matches with my skin tone, and instantly it brightened my under eyes like magic. Now I'll just quickly blend my other eye as well. The remaining product on the beauty blender, I'll just apply it on the rest of my face. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera or not, but the coverage is just wow. Now we'll move on to set the concealer with this L'Oreal Paris Infallible powder, which will do the job of both foundation and powder. This is the only powder which I have which gives me such a great coverage, you guys. I don't have to apply any kind of foundation because this does the job of both. I'll open the powder foundation like this. We get a sponge applicator with this and set my face like this. In just one swipe, you guys, I am amazed. Like, I just love using this powder foundation. I'll show you once again. Can you guys see the coverage of this powder? You know what? I'll just do the half of my face and show you a live difference. Can you guys see the difference for yourself? I'll just set the entire face now. You guys can see my base looks just perfect. Just in one swipe, it gave me such a great high coverage. I did not apply anything, just the concealer and the powder, and my base is all set. And this is also transfer proof and waterproof, and this will last for up to 24 hours, you guys. Now I'll just quickly apply some lipstick, mascara and come back. Hi guys, as you guys can see, I did the rest of my face, and you guys can see my base looks just flawless. It looks wow. I fall in love with my makeup every time I do it with L'Oreal Paris Infallible range. Y'all can literally tell in the camera how beautiful my base look, and it will go all day long. Most of the time I even go to the gym with this base and it does not go anywhere. I'll stop using everything. Just 2 products are enough for me this summer. It passes all the claims, and I love using both of these products because it just takes such minimal efforts with such amazing results. The link to these products will be mentioned in the description box down below. You should definitely go and check it out, and I'm sure you guys will love it. So yeah, this was it about today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos like this. See you all guys in my next video. Ciao.